Hey guys, it's Dane with DynastyBreaks.com. We are busting a box of personal variety. A box of personal
See, if this was me saying that,
renditions.
you would go, a box of personal item, a box of personal stuff. You'd make fun of me for about 15 minutes, but I wouldn't do that to you.
A box? Well, you're sounding a little angry. You're a codgety old fart. John Kelly is buying this box of baseball cards, and it is 2019 Bowman Chrome Hobby. Good luck, Mr. Kelly from the Rams. Sorry, George is so codgety. Is that a real word?
Just making a point.
Codgety.
It's close to a word.
A box of personal nature is what I meant.
Personal nature. Well, that sounds.
Wonder
even
what's
worse.
in here. Ooh.
Like, I'm not sure he wants to.
Passive
aggressive. That's right.
Wow.
Pretty actively aggressive, actually.
That's
Yeah.
true.
It was active aggressive. How many spots left in our gigantic baseball break we have in front of us, George?
You want to take a guess first?
4.
No.
11?
11.
Come on, guys.
11.
We can do it. Here's the bottom, John.
Yeah, good luck, John.
Superfractor, John. Superfractor. Think superfractor.
John has been with us from just maybe the very beginning. Was it the very beginning, John?
Were you in our giveaways last summer before we opened? Or did you find us after we had done a few breaks already? All right. Here you go, John. Good luck. Martinez, Elite Farmhand. Nate Pearson, Arizona Fall League insert. Casey Mize insert. And we have a blue Luis Garcia. That is numbered to 150. That is the first one. It's not 61 of 150.
Luke TV, stand by and I'll answer that question for you.
Luke. And auto for the Orioles, Blaine Knight. First Bowman auto. There you go, John. Blaine Knight. Well, oh, yeah, that's what you're going to explain to him.
Yep.
Luke, we already, George bought a spot and we're going to give it away. So that's 2 free spots in the break. We're also giving away this box, random to all. So it is juiced up, man. This is a photo variation, Colby Allard. Short print. There you go, John, on that one. Photo variation refractor. Nice one there. Keibert Ruiz, Arizona Fall League. Kikuchi, rookie. A Warner, Austin Warner to 499 refractor. Oh, got an inscription auto. Prime autograph. Julio Pablo Martinez, go Rangers.
That's cool looking.
Our first insert auto of the inscription variety. There you go. 20 of 50. Nice. A good box, John. And there you go. All your cards will ship from this. Here's all your base. We'll get that out to you. Thanks for the purchase, Mr. Kelly. We'll be right back. We'll check on our baseball break that sits in front of you. Let me put my Pretty little box there.
10 spots.
We'll be right back, guys.